Yeah, I can't believe how weak FET looks. I mean, here's the level that we need to break, and sure enough, it's about to break it. And like out of all the coins, this one looks so weak. It went up, down, lower, high, lower. Sure, higher lows, but it looks incredibly weak compared to other coins. Even coins that are, in my opinion, lower, I guess. Pengu's good, but like ZBCN, this at least looks stronger than FETs. Of course, you have all these other ones that look way stronger. All right, so I got, just thinking out loud, looking at these markets, looking at these coins. Now, all of these coins, easy shorts, in my opinion, due to what Bitcoin, if it comes down. So I have to say that if Bitcoin comes down, these are all, any coin, anyone, it's going to be easy. Well, I don't want to say easy. It's not going to be as difficult to make some profit. You just have to make sure to put your stop in profit as soon as possible. But one thing that we don't want to do, we don't want to post 10, 20 charts. Like, in my opinion, they'll all possibly do good or well. But just do like one or two. And based off of the stuff that we've taught, and based off of everything, I mean, out of all of them that I just kind of showed you really quick, this one looks to be the weakest. Just because of what's been happening. It's not gaining strength. Here's the level it needs to break. It's only support, and we're right at it. I would like to see one more, attempt to come up, then come down. But with what Bitcoin might be doing, coming down, we might not even see that. So if it does come down, then I would look for something like this. If it comes down, maybe to here, come up, do a retest, and come down. I don't even think this low. Maybe about here. Since it's come down so much, something like that. All right, that's all I got. Again, just thinking out loud. I don't want to post too many charts just in case the market reverses. We don't want to be trapped in a bunch of shorts, 10, 20 shorts. We don't want to do that. We just be in one. Be one. Have your stop loss. If the market turns and bounces, we're only in one trade versus, 15. That's all I got. Protect your gains, guys. Protect your capital. Move your stop losses and profit as soon as possible. And just be careful right now. As I mentioned, the market's not looking strong. I've been saying about this the past couple of days. So we right now just waiting. And if we do come down and say we come up and we make a lower high, we come down, but we don't make a lower low, and we start coming up, we start breaking the highs. Okay, well then this might be like a double bottom, a higher low, to where this is our neckline, and now we start going up, or this is our level that we start attacking, and then we continue down, and then we just react to what the market's giving us. All right, well, that's all I got. I do thank you guys watching these charts, and talk to you soon. Take care.